Hey, what's happening, guys? My name is Aaron Timms and welcome to my YouTube channel. For the last 4 years, I have trained with some of the world's best when it comes to personal development, leadership, spirituality, business, and ultimately human potential. I have trained under the likes of T. Harv Eker, Dr. Joe Dispenza, and Tony Robbins, and many more too. And I have worked on bridging that gap between having optimal health, spiritual fulfillment, financial success on an absolute mission to discover the secrets of how we can have it all. And over the last 4 years, I have spent tens of thousands of pounds in this search. And as a result of that, I have created Conscious Success. Conscious Success is a training and coaching academy designed for enlightened leaders, for entrepreneurs, for spiritual seekers, and for business owners to heal and consciously create a life they want, to have success in all areas of life. And I want to show you the secrets that actually work in the area of money, in the area of mindset, in the area of spirituality, in the area of leadership, and in the area of health. But also how to reverse illness and disease using natural cures, how to become spiritually fulfilled and make an impact on the world, and how to become financially successful. Ultimately, for you to achieve total freedom, spiritual freedom, financial freedom, mental, emotional, and physical freedom, total freedom, so that you can become what I call a spiritual millionaire, ultimately to help you achieve your goals and your dreams. So this YouTube channel is about me sharing with you the secrets, the aha moments, the insights, the models, the frameworks about what really works and about what doesn't work, so that you can achieve your goals in your life. I try to keep things simple. I try to keep things concise. I try to communicate with clarity. I'm going to do my absolute best not to waffle or to waste your time. But I am human and I do make mistakes. I do say the wrong words sometimes. I am human and we all are. So that is what you are going to get from me in this YouTube channel. You're going to get a very honest and a very authentic version of me that is going to share absolutely everything that I know and I believe is of value to you. Anything that I can share to make your life better. The reason that I decided to create this YouTube channel though is because I am absolutely obsessed with human potential and seeing people's personal transformations. Having been stuck in life, bored, unfulfilled, going around and around in circles, and actually having to heal from a broken back, from being paralyzed from the waist down, to then experiencing my own personal breakthroughs, to actually healing my body and then creating a life that I love, as well as seeing so many other people having breakthroughs at events and through coaching. I love seeing people having breakthroughs. I love to see our students and our clients having breakthroughs. I love to see them healing after years of suffering in their body, to see them create financial freedom, to see them reach a level of spiritual fulfillment and happiness that they never thought they could reach. And really, why I wanted to start this YouTube channel is so that I could reach more people and share with you what I've been working on recently to achieve success in the areas of money, in mindset, in spirituality, in leadership, and in health too. So get ready for a really exciting channel. We're going to make it super fun, we're going to make it really entertaining and bring massive value to you. Hopefully, it will meet all of your needs and help you to reach your goals. In fact, I'm sure it will, because we are going to handle that for you. So, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel and you will get a weekly video that's going to add you lots of value. So you'll get value that you can actually apply to your life to improve the quality of your life. You are going to get trainings, you're going to get models, you're going to get frameworks, tools, techniques, and ultimately the secrets that they don't want you to know about. You're going to get something actionable every single week so that you can use it and apply it in your life to unlock your potential and enhance your life. To help you get more personal success, more financial success, to get more spiritual fulfillment, and to make a greater impact. To help you achieve more optimum health and well-being so that ultimately you can have an all-round better quality of life with more freedom. So, subscribe to this channel, stay with me, have fun, make conversations, and reach out if you want to work with us more closely. Comment with your thoughts and your comments on the videos, because I'm going to be interacting with you too. And most importantly, let's have fun. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. I really appreciate your time, I really appreciate your attention, and I really appreciate your commitment to learning and growing. So let's do this together as a team. I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.